Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another vlog. I got pretty decent feedback on my last vlog, so we're gonna try this again. So today is Friday, January 12th, and it is approximately 7:43 in the evening. Yeah, tonight is going to be a chill night for me. I had a really busy week at work. Like, we had a big conference and it was just really hectic. I kind of did want to go out and do something tonight just because I felt like I worked so hard all week and I feel like I should reward myself, but I don't know, nobody was really doing anything, so I was like, you know, I'm just gonna go home and relax. So as I mentioned in my last vlog, I am working on like decluttering and getting my filming area organized. I know you guys are probably tired of looking at my bed in the background when I record videos. So currently, turn this light down. This is my filming area. I know, super glamorous, not what you're used to seeing, but this is a vanity that my mom actually made. She actually made it as a table. I turned it into my vanity. As you guys can see, I am overflowing with just stuff. And this right here is my mini hair salon. So I have all of my hair products. So I'm trying to get this area together because the more stuff I buy, the more it stresses me out. So I'm looking to get a little like tall bookshelf cabinet to fit right into there, and I can get like some little inserts and just organize it and put some stuff in it. So I'm actually going to IKEA tomorrow and I'm going to look for I need to do my measurements to make sure that it can fit, but I just want to insert it right into there and just fill it up with all of this stuff. But that is my project for the month of January. I really want to get my filming area together. Today I was actually just kind of working on my planner, and I have like a notebook just full of video ideas, but my filming space has always kind of limited me on what I can film. You guys know I've always been really relaxed with my YouTube channel. I've never like been like super over the top, and so every year I just do something to kind of invest in my channel. I know a lot of people, like, they start their YouTube channels to like be internet famous and to make a bunch of money. For me, because I didn't start my channel that way, it's just never been like it's never been like on the forefront of. So like, you know, one year I bought a new camera, then the next year I upgraded a camera, then I got like lights, and I use a ring light now. In general, I've like rearranged this room so many times to try to get the perfect setup, and where my room is at right now, it's good. Like, my vanity is right in front of the mirror. I mean, in front of the window, so I can just get like natural light, because I don't have enough room to get like super high-tech lighting. So I use my ring light, but I'm just trying to make the best out of my situation without breaking my pockets, or just, I'm not one of those people that just go above and beyond just to keep up with the Joneses. That's not me. So my things will come together when they're meant to come together. Like I said, January will be setting up my filming area. February, I don't know what the goal is going to be yet, but for sure for January, I do want to get this filming set up, and I have video ideas already kind of lined up that I'm gonna try to do. So yeah, that's it. It's Friday. It's pretty early. I'm in the house watching my nephew. He's in the other room right now playing and watching TV. So that is my Friday night. Probably gonna pour me a glass of wine and watch some TV. And just relax and unwind. For sure tomorrow I'm going to IKEA and I have some other errands to run. And yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow morning. camera today. I've just been kind of on the go. Had a few errands to run this morning, and then went to IKEA, just did other stuff. And then as soon as I came home, I started putting this cabinet bookshelf thing together. I did not finish it, but I'll show you guys what I have so far. I wanted to finish it all, but it's just not gonna happen. I know it's gonna take a minute before it all comes together. Yeah, but like I said, I'm liking the way that's coming out. Right now it is 6:45, so it's still pretty early. My friend asked me if I wanted to go out for drinks, so I'm probably gonna do that, but I need to take a nap because I'm like tired. Am I the only person that needs to like nap before I go out at night? Like, I know I'm getting old because I feel like before I could just go, and now it's like, okay, if I want to go out at night, I need to do nothing during the day, or I need to take a nap. And naturally I'm a early riser, so oh, my lighting sucks. Naturally I am a early riser, so I get up early, and then on top of being just like a natural morning person, my actual job, I have to be to work really early. So during the week, I'm up at like 4 o'clock in the morning every day, and so my body is just used to getting up early, so it transfers to the weekends. Like when I get to sleep in, I really don't sleep in because I'm just so used to being up early. Like today, I woke up around the time that my alarm goes off. I woke up this morning and I was up for like an hour, so I stayed up maybe like 2 hours. I was up from like 4 to 6, and I was like, I need to go to sleep because I'm gonna be dead tired by the time 3 o'clock rolls around. So I forced myself to go back to sleep, and then I slept from like 6 to 8, and then I got up and I started my day. But since she wants to go out, and because I've been working and putting all that stuff together, I definitely need to lay down and take a power nap. So like I said, it's 6:45, so I'll probably sleep until like 7:45, get up, shower, give myself enough time to get dressed. I don't even know where we're going, honestly. So let me take this nap. So I am dressed and ready to go. I mustered up the energy to pull myself together. I'm going out with my friend Janae, and we're just going to just like a local bar. Nothing major. Just going to get drinks. I'll show you guys my outfit. I'm Ubering tonight, drinking. So since I'm drinking, might as well Uber. And the place isn't too far anyways. It's like 10 minutes away from my house. Y'all, my closet is a mess, so bear with me. But this is the outfit I have on. So my jeans are from Boohoo, and they're just black high-waist denim jeans with the slits in the knees. My bodysuit is from Boohoo as well. This jacket is from Zara, and I love it. It's like this pretty mustard yellow color. And then I just have on some booties, and my booties are from Aldo. So yeah, real simple. And then I just have like my black little shoulder bag from H&M. So I'm probably going to vlog a little bit while we're out, and I most likely will use my phone. I haven't really got comfortable with actually going out in public and using this big camera, and I don't live in the most dangerous city, but it ain't that safe either, so I don't even feel comfortable like just being out carrying like a big camera. So I will be vlogging via my iPhone, and let me make sure I have all my stuff together so I can go. So it is Monday, January 15th. It's Martin Luther King Day. Happy Martin Luther King Day to all of you out there. Yeah, so after I went out Saturday night, the next morning I got up and went to church, go to church every Sunday. And then I had a client right after church, and I was just pretty much dead on Sunday. So I did not film anything on Sunday because I was just basically working. So I finished setting up my cabinet, bookshelf, whatever you want to call it, and I'm super excited about it. My dad helped me drill in I pretty much put the whole thing together by myself, but as far as like the doors and the drawers, the little inserts, they needed to be drilled in like with a power drill. But yeah, here it is. So it's this cabinet right here. It opened up this wall over here, and it just looks a lot more neat. I have to get an extension cord and tack it around, but it's not long enough, so I gotta get my cords situated. But I like the way it came out. Down here I have like a bunch of stuff. So I have like bleaching powders and developer and just kind of hair products that I don't use day to day, but I still kind of need them. So it's all of that in there. One thing I don't like is that they don't have like, need like a magnet or something to keep it tight. It doesn't do that. But anyways, so in this second cubby, I have just like styling tools. So I have like blow dryers, curlers, flat iron, stuff like that. I do want to organize it more, so I don't know what I'm gonna get to kind of be able to organize it more. So for now, they're just all kind of thrown in there. But that's the beauty of these doors. And then I have these two drawers right here. I bought these little organizer things from Target. I forgot how much they were, but it came in a set, and it was like for sure like less than $10. But here I have like combs, brushes, scissors, other little miscellaneous stuff, bobby pins, rubber bands. And then in this drawer, so in this drawer I have like my clips, other little miscellaneous stuff, thread, headscarves, and stuff like that. And then I kept the top cubby open. I didn't want to put like a drawer or anything on it. I just have like my perfumes and my day-to-day toiletries. I am going to go in and organize this better, but for the time being, I already had them in this little thing here. So I just end up putting that whole tray in there. And so I also cleaned off my vanity. So this table, my mom actually made this table herself. I think she used to have a TV or something on it, but when she made it, she did not put a lacquer on it, so that's why it's all messed up. Like this used to be just one solid color, but once I made it into my vanity, like makeup spilled on it, hair products and all that kind of stuff has just kind of spilled on it. And I've tried like towels and cleaning stuff to get it off, but it needs to just be like resanded and then put a lacquer on it. So I want to do that sometime soon, but for the meantime I did kind of organize it and clean it up a bit because I did have a lot of stuff just everywhere. I want to get some more acrylic containers and stuff. I know it's not like super glam, like y'all love glam stuff here on YouTube, so it's not like glam or anything, but I hope you guys can hear me because my TV's been on this whole time. Where's my remote? I think my nephew's still not remote. Anyways, so I know it's not like super glam, but it's organized, and it's organized to an extent, and it's neat. Making the best of what I have, y'all. Like, I'm not about to get on YouTube and stunt for everybody like I'm just living this super glamorous lifestyle. I live a good life, I'll say that, but it's definitely not glamorous, and I'm not about to feed into the hype. But I did need to organize my little area as much as possible, so that's what I did. I'm happy with the results so far because it was cluttered in this little area over there, and it was like getting out of control. So this is definitely a step in the right direction. So yeah, that's pretty much been my weekend. I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. Like I said, it's Monday. I'm gonna run to the grocery store, get me some groceries for the week and for lunch and stuff. And then I'm gonna come home and try to edit these videos. I have a makeup video that I'm editing. I started it this morning, but I need to finish editing that. I also want to try to get this vlog up tonight because once I start work this week, I don't know if I'll have time to really sit down and edit it. So I'm gonna try to do that tonight. Thank you all for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying these little vlogs. And I'll see you guys next time.